Kurusan ini hindi nagpulungan na narami dapat kurusan sinarami sa tilakan na retorotong.
Ilocano eh.
Marami rin tayo. Hindi po.
Paano? Paano makukonsider sa sarili mo? Paano? Oh, you consider yourself as you were born in this place. Hindi ka makikipagtalo. Ganun yun eh. Kung saan ka pinanganak, doon ka makukonsider.
Ibig sabihin, kung pinanganak ikaw sa Pilipinas, kayo pinanganak, kaya ikaw ay Pilipinas. No. Actually, in fact, si Tugak naman po sa lapas. Iba na yun. Ika ka daw. Hindi mo lagay kita nga. Ikaw na ang pangalit.
Isot tao dante kinarungsot no maabak tay manok ko nga nagapot abroad.
This is a certificate of appreciation given to the great-grandfather of the president by the Spaniard during the Spanish regime in 1865. And this is a dresser used by the mother of the president when she comes here. This is the table used by the grandfather of the president when he was vice-gobernadorcillo during the Spanish regime. This is the old but lucky bed where the president was born in the morning of Monday at 7 o'clock, September 11, 1917. She was attended by the father of the president. Yes.
Nagkataon ng biblical court.
Yes. And he has his assistant and hilot.
Only the hilot na woman. But we were educated, my husband and I, and when I after I had delivered the baby, before I delivered the baby, I had a new pair of scissors because the women hilot, they use only something to cut a piece of bamboo. They sharpen a piece of bamboo, and that is what they use for cutting the cord. I do not know why, but I was strong. I was the one giving instruction now. When the baby was already born, I asked my husband, Papa, get the scissors from the pot. Malaking tatangkad na kayo. Get the scissors is there. Now you cut it 2 inches. I was giving instruction 2 inches from the base. Tie it first, they said. Tie it first. Then cut 2 inches. Then fold and tie again. Oh, we had our bed here. My husband is there. Do you know where the crib would be? There, by his side. Not my side. His side. When the baby would make noise, he is the one taking care of the baby. See how attentive he was.
Iyakin mo ba si Presidente?
Ah,
Iyakin?
hindi.
Brave. Because once, while they were sitting down on their desk, his pencil fell down on the floor. Then, he tried to look for it. He crept. He crept under the desk. And the classmates cried and wanted to fight with him. I can go against Ray, he said. Pending. What are you doing? Then he would start. None, ma'am. Okay. When he repeated, then I stood up. I just make an action. When I tried to whip him, he does not talk. He is quiet because he is afraid if I shall whip him.
Can you still scare him now?
No more.
How are you? Mayor? May kami kini Ainik kan kini datuma kagwanan no may kita nagiti panaka organisan nagiti kabataan barangay. Barangay ito nagiti pala kabataan barangay di yeah. Who is the leader of the Kabataan Barangay here in Ilocos Norte? Who is the president of Ilocos Norte Kabataan Barangay? Joseph. Apa? Saan? Saan naroon siya? Where is he? Diyan na yan. Eh, pwede man. Joseph Juan. Oh. Oh. Kabataan Barangay kayo man. Where is the leader? Tell him to come here. Where are the leaders? Come here. Bagat at dahil pagtural din naman na. Oh, so come here. You are the president here. Abayan na ka. Presidente ka man. Isang marunong ka mag-aabay na. Did you make all the arrangements? Joseph, did you make all the arrangements? Yes, sir. Oh, where do we go from here? You be the guide, sir. You tell me where to go. I came here. I did not come here to the old people. I came here to the barangay. Sabihin mo yung matatawag sa summer yan. Transit. You call all the others. We'll ride here in the front. Yung mga matatanda doon sa likod. Mami, kabataan pa lang puro matatanda naman nakarito eh. Where are you from? Marikina. Ayun, Marikina. We better pick up the others from Quezon City and it's useless to be talking to these people who know Ilocos Norte already. Here is the road going to Suba, going to Pawai. We go there this afternoon. We have a project that's to upgrade the farmers' lands. And this is the road where we used to train also horses from the Lubog River. But there are so many houses here now. I remember when my father fell from a horse here. It was so far away from the nearest habitation that I had to come all the way from Lubog to catch up with him. I don't remember this places anymore. Too many houses.
Zamboanga Norte, sir.
It's Zamboanga Norte. Yes.
Zamboanga
But the river is over to the north, here towards our left. That's a lot of basi standing there, huh? A lot of sugarcane.
Especially in Sarat, sir.
Is that so? No, but the best basi comes from Pintingan, Susuna.
No, Sarat, sir.
Huh?
Sarat.
You come from Sarat?
He is from Susuna.
Yeah. But this so-called Ilocano wine, this basi, came from Sarat.
Of course, the best basi comes where we make them in Sarat. Don't you know the story about the Sarat wine? Every family has a secret to produce wine. And you are supposed to hand it down from father to the eldest son.
Do you know how?
Of course, I do, except that during the time of my grandfather, it was handed over to him. And you're supposed to plant this in a banana clump, about 1 meter underground, over which you plant bananas. And you determine by the number of bananas how old the wine is. And the first one to taste, it's supposed to be the eldest son. But my grandfather realized that the basi was so good, he decided he would be the only one not only to taste it, but to drink it. And so he was known to have the best basi by reputation only because nobody else could taste it. The secret of basi making, I suppose, died with him.
My mother knew how to make basi for women, parang muscatel. She knew how to make basi for men, parang whiskey. My mother also knew how to make alak also, but she made the basi, the basti. So my husband knew, he observed, while he had been courting me, he observed all the ins and outs of my town. When Ferdinand was born, I was teaching in Sarat. I was the principal of the intermediate school of Sarat that time when Ferdinand was born. That is why he had to be born in Sarat.
What's the truth?
The truth about it is I was baptized in both. I was baptized first as an Agricoyan and then later. Give me all the flowers and I'll put it at the altar. Father? Lenny? New Year's resolution ay unang-una, palakihin ang mga kabataan. Meron, sino ba ang mga buhay ng teacher ko? Who are the teachers who are leaving?
They have already retired, President.
When the president was in grade 1, maybe he was 6 years old because during this period, ages is not yet well it was not 7 years old during this, but 6 years old when he entered. However, though he was only 6 years old, he is better than the other. You, Ferdinand, who is holding the book. Pedro is holding the book. Okay, because Ho is asking for name.
Every day, whenever we went to school, both of us were with our teacher, Miss Quevedo. Yeah, because all of us were neighbors then.
Sino ang teacher?
Ikaw.
Oh, sige.
Sige.
Baka hindi kayo pumasa, walang uwi. Eto pala. Aha. Where is the... ano, the teacher? Ito. Oh, mabuo kayo ng lahat yan. Ayan. Magaling. Magaling pala. Sino pa? Ikaw naman.
Wind of Christmas. Cold winds are blowing. December is here. Christmas is coming. Christmas is here. Children are laughing, shouting with glee. Soon we'll be having a gay Christmas Eve. Ang old tatlong hari-haring nalalakbay, talalang maningning ang patnubay. Bethlehem ang patutunguhan, kay Jesus magbibigay galang. Bagay ng pag-iba at manika pa na napakaganda.
Ayun! Very good! Alright. Oh, hala. Hindi kayo. Bibigyan ko kayo mamaya ng ano, pamasko. Merry Christmas. Ha? Yes, ma'am. Pero mas maganda na.
Yes, sir. Because of the, it was renovated already.
Naayos na.
Paunahin mga bata. Dali-dali,
Wala,
takbo.
mauna kayo mga
Kailangan
anak.
mabilis.
Makiriri ka rin pada ng ubing, so mapanda ito manayaban. Hindi mo tagunonin ano pa, tabautan da. No. Makiriri ta kag pada ng ubing.
You ever get this?
Of course I get it.
For what?
Too many times.
For what?
Fighting.
For fighting?
Yeah. There was a big bully in class who kept bullying the small kids, and they would come and run to me. Then I would tell them. And no, they tried.
His younger brother might have been 9 when my husband purchased the boxing club. And he was always following them whenever they handled the gloves. He was not below the belt. He would be going around with them like that. Not below the belt, not above the neck, because that would be the face. After playing whatever he wanted to play, he would go into the house now and read. Reading and reading and reading. Basa ng basa.
Well, tinawag ako ngayon nito si Nana. Doon na. kita sa kanya, hala, pakinggan mo nga yung talumpati. Sabi ka, hindi ko na maintindihan. Hala, tignan natin, salita kayong ano. Hindi nagsalita na. Hindi nga maaari. Yung mga leader ng tatay mo, ay magagaling lahat yan. Puro mga point laureate yan. Ibinigyan na ako, tinuruan na ako. Lagaya mo rin, pag nag-aaral ng talumpati sa Tagalog. Una, sinaulo ko lahat yung kanyang mga poems, Ilocano, at mga all the rhythms, all the sayings, Ilocano. At pagkatapos binigyan ako ng reading material, nag-aaral na ako ng classical Ilocano.
Sir, anong team yung song niyo, sir, ng first day?
Alin?
Sir, team song niyo ng first day.
Team song, ha?
Tsaka paano niyo naging team song niyo, sir?
Sobra na lang. Sino ang paborito niyong artista? Noong araw, saka ngayon?
Ni Juan, ni Bing Pires, asa si Leopoldo Tosedo.
Ay, si Ben Perez, taga ako yung kababayan niya.
Sa Manila, si Bing Pires na sa Paco na nakatira.
Si Leopoldo Tosedo?
Oo.
Yung ngayon lumalabas pa yun, ah.
Labas na.
Oo, hanggang ngayon lumalabas pa. Hindi ako pa. Eh, sa babae, sino ang paborito niyo? Sino ang gusto niyo ang artista? Sa babae.
Sa babae? Hindi ko makuhan, basta sila si Leopoldo lang.
Ano maganda
mga kaibigan ko.
Ang kaibigan niya?
Oo.
Ano ang kasi niya? Ano tawag sa inyo ni First Lady?
Inday.
There was one time when Imelda was gathering all the old clothes of Ferdinand. Mommy, where are the pajamas of Ferdinand na made of Ilocano clothes? Woven by Lola, sabi. Pinagtrapo na ni Duning. Duning is the maid. Pinagtrapo na ni Duning. Bakit naman? How do I know that even old clothes of Ferdinand should be kept? I said, so old clothes, even use them for trapo na.
And this pant was woven by his grandmother. There is a strap going to the shoulder, this one, but the strap is no more.
I was Captain Ball because the basketball. I was in high school the first time that basketball was introduced in the Philippines, and it was given to the girls. That is why we had it first ahead of the boys. When the Bureau found out that the basketball became rough for the girls, then they gave it to the boys now. Sila mag-ama agreed that they should all be in, the children should all be in at 6 o'clock. All of us must be here at the time of the Angelos, my husband. Do you agree? He does not give orders. He makes them agree. And they say, yes, Daddy. So one Saturday, I was telling you, remember that? Dumating ni Ferdinand na pumasok. My husband was in the sala. The wall clock was there. Dumating. At the door pa. No. Daddy, pardon me. Because it was already 6:05.
5 minutes only.
6 and 5 minutes. Daddy, pardon me. I am late because I was making a home run, Daddy. I was making a home run. He said, that is why I could not leave. I could not leave the game because I was making a home run. Daddy, please pardon me. I am late 5 minutes, he said. Lucy could see also the clock now. 5 minutes passed. Yes, but I was there watching. Yes, but when we say 6 o'clock, does it mean 6:05? Yeah, I know that, Daddy, but as I say, I was making the home run. My husband was already trying to remove his belt like that. And so I butted in order that the removing of the belt does not continue. I was holding his concert like that, and then I went forward. Did you make the home run, Ferdinand? I said like that. Did you make the home run, Ferdinand? So that my husband should not talk anymore. Did you make the home run, Ferdinand? Yes, Mommy, I did. Very good. You see, Daddy, he will be also a good he will become also a good baseball player, like you. I said, like you. I said, now, all right, Ferdinand, go and wash up now. I said, I sent him. So, after that, where did you put your psychology? I told my husband like that. I was the one now who praised him. Where did you put your psychology? Pardon me, Mommy. I was so much bent on that clock. Forgive me. So he was the one who was asking for. So you can just see the family one there.
Ay, mahirap ang duhat dito eh, at saka hindi maganda eh. Doon sa, doon sa nainitan, yung presko gagaling sa puno.
Eh, nung chika nila doon, nandun na ba yun?
Oo.
Oji.
Yup.
No. May kwento, what did you do?
Hindi na ako nalunod yan sa ano.
Nalunod, ano ha? Just right across this, the river bank was sloping down and deep, still very deep. And when my mother was attracted by the shouts of children, she had to look outside the window. Nenoy, tingnan mo kung ano yun. He began running. The father was an athlete. Oh yes, the father was one of the best athletes. He was a bodybuilder.
12 years old, hindi ako marunong lumangoy eh. Naglalaro kami doon sa ilog. Tinulak ako sa gitna. Dala ako ng agos. Nakita ko ng matanda sa ilog. Lumundag, nakakapsulpilyo.
Elijah Lopez was the one who taught him how to swim after saving him from drowning. Yes, right here.
The fellow who fished him out from the water put him down on the sand. But he was already getting black and blue. The father took him on his shoulders with his stomach here, so that his head would be hanging down there, and his limbs were just to press his stomach. As we saw Ferdinand really on that condition, we began to shout also. We shouted all together in the house as the father ran past bringing Ferdinand to the house. What the doctor did was to place, they had a very big tapayan with fire inside, so that there would be heat and the water would be coming out from the mouth. Uyak ka na, but everybody was moving, you know. Nurses, doctors, the mother, my mother, our grandmother then, no? But in so short a time, he was revived.
Yung amplifier, sir.
Hindi, yung simbahan doon, tingnan mo, naging modern na. Pero nung araw, yung simbahan na yan, matanda yan, mayroong mga kaprigan, may ganti.
Gregorio Aglipay was a great general during the revolutionary times. And he was known to be a man of having anting-anting, yes.
Merong parang sugat sa likod na hindi naman namamaga, pero basa. Oo.
Saan galing?
Hindi ko nga malaman yung dito nung kumpanya ng linabas niya na binigay, linipat yung kaling-kaling ni Aglipay sa kanya.
We call him Monsignor Aglipay because he's the supreme head of the church, Iglesia Filipina Independiente, which is that one being constructed right now for a shrine. Then he would tell about his how he would escape the captors, Americans and Spaniards, and this president would hear with all the seriousness.
Kung minsan daw kaya hindi raw mahuli-huli mga Kastilas nakikita mo sa sa ano ba yun, sa tuktok ng kawayan, nangangabayo si Aglipay.
Ay, si Kagaya!
Ay, po, President.
Kasi kagsangsangi ka. Tugaw ka.
Please, help Dengar.
Tugaw ka tayo na makapagtatayo.
Agure ka, bigyan ka ng dalugan ko, Jai.
Ay, kaya naglugang ka siya. Kure ka, bati ka to.
Come on, get in everybody.
Una, ibabangin ang dedag pa na sumunod sa lugang ako. May ganito yun ako, Presidente. This is the only chance of me to be near with you. Ay.
Wala.
Kumay ka na ng
Anong tawa mo na yan?
Siya,
Why?
75. Eh, tika-lika kumag.
Bakit ni Mama?
Wala na, nag-distract pa di grade 7.
She was your teacher in grade 7?
Yes, 7.
She was my teacher pala.
I am his first grade teacher.
Again, arithmetic. 5 plus 8, 12. Down. 5 plus 8, 10. 5 plus 9, like that, 13. Okay. Luckily, that he was lucky to be the end of the question because he could answer. All right. He's proved that he is intelligent.
What did she teach? All.
She's the only teacher I remember in the first grade.
Really?
Dito ako nag-aaral nag-aaral.
Which part?
Alam mo, marami sa mga lupa rito at itong araw, pero pagpasok ng tatay ko sa politika na wala lahat.
Dahil sa,
Ha? Sinanla, pinagsili. Tumatapos yung mga lupa niya. Yun naman lupa ng nanay.
Tawag mo sa Tagalog, where you mix it up with the fat of the pork, and it keeps for weeks and weeks and weeks. So when you come back and you're very hungry, kuha ka lang iinit mo. Tapat pa kayong blessed it. And mix it with bagoong and kamatis. Gutom na gutom ka, kanya magigising ka na alas 4 sa umaga. Tapos mamamarin kayo. It was so beautiful and it was such a big box. Malaki. It was a bit of 14-pointer. Yung horns ba? 14-point. And nung papariling ko na, I don't know what entered my mind. I realized that I did not eat it because I was not going to eat it. I was eating nothing but vegetables. And so, I let it go, and after that, I couldn't kill anymore after the war.
Yung G's, yung 10 centavos nung araw, iitsa mo sa itaas, matatamaan
Parang si Django.
Oo, yung itataas mo ng ganun, pagkatapos babarilin.
Pero marami ko mga barkada rito, marami sa kanila ngayon, mga mayor, lahi ng mga naging... Oo. Si inyo ang kasama-sama kong nag-ensayo ng mga kabayo.
Nung araw, sila lang may kabayo mga malalaki. At saka nauutusan yung mga kabayo. Oo. At tuturuan yung mga kabayo.
Tuturuan si Presidente?
Oo, yung papa niya. Merong sumasaludo. Meron pang kabayo na bago ka sumakay, ganun mo lang sa likod yung bababa yung kaya mababa, madaling sakyan.
Yung kapatid ko, Dr. Marcos, karera kami rin ng kabayo sa wala pa itong mga sementadong sa kalye nung araw, wala pa rin. Are we not passing by Paway?
Paway is after Kurimama.
Sino may-ari nito? Ba? Ha? Mayor, sir. Mayor. Mayor ng Curimaw. Yes, sir. Kailangan libre. Libre na, sir. When you wanted to be alone, either alone or alone with somebody, dito ka dumadaan.
Hey, Mayor. Dati gayam Coral Beach mo. The President of the KB of Curimaw, sir. Oh, is your daughter? Mag-isi, kapinanom ni... Lolo na, sir. Lolo. Where is our land here?
Nailabas lahat ng pagkain dito.
Hindi naman nila. Dito na tayo kumain sa labas.
Ay, kapsat niya malabunay.
Anong balik na sa inyo? Mahilig kami siya.
Ay.
Yung nag-aalaga ng kabayo, si Presidente at saka Don Mariano at saka Tita Tapio. Pag ibang lumalapit doon nangangagat Tsaka hindi makakali yung mga kabayo pag may lumalapit na iba.
Hindi ho nanay ni Presidente mahusay din mga kabayo.
Oo, lahat sila mahusay mga kabayo.
As a start, Mrs. Marcos would let the horse stand on hind legs. The horse would stand on hind legs. And the moment the horse would have its forelegs down, then there is just a jerk of the feet, and then they would swoop so far like lightning.
Sabihin niyo sa kanila, paso yung mga kabayanan, hindi, binabanata ng pulgalo. Kailangan i-control mo yan.
Sir, saan naman po kayo nahihirapan? O walang martial law o ngayon may martial?
Lalo mahirap nung walang martial law. Ngunit mahirap din nung may martial law. At riniriyandahan yung pagkagamit ng kapangyarihan ng martial law. Gaya ng mga nangangabayo, tingnan mo. Panay escape sila full gallop, hindi nila nalalang riniriyandahan yan ng konti para maging pasok.
Itantay-intay, nagkinaawatan.
Aintang arude nagtinurutan.
Taintang arodag sinurutan.
Let them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My pretty lily. All right, they have to break. The one who is not strong, away. The one who is strong, then he's the one remain. He's the winner of the game. We were not teaching Pamulinawen during this period.
Why?
Yes, because Pamulinawen is in Ilocano. You know, we are not singing Ilocano in this school. And Ilocano is sung by old people. And the young ones, no, they are not singing that. Nowadays,
Pwede kayo, Apo.
The mother said, siya nga naman.
Cannot remember.